Okay guys, so here is the situation. Nate gave me a call last night because the internet seems to think that Nate should take Musa, who is from Australia, from Aussie Four Wheelers, a YouTube channel from Australia. He's in town for basically just this weekend. Tonight we're going to be going camping, probably up in the snow would be my guess. We're going to find a nice place to camp, show him some snow, show him the mountains. Unfortunately, my Jeep is kind of in pieces right now because I am trying to fix two issues, one being heat coming from the firewall and the trans tunnel coming into the cab, and the drone of the exhaust and the exhaust noises coming in when I'm cruising down the road. So we're going to fix those two things. We're going to replace the muffler, add some dynomat, dynaliner, quarter-inch liner. So let's fix those two things, then let's go do some four-wheeling. Got our Quadratech floor mat back in, and you can still see our dynomat right here all the way up the firewall and along here. So hopefully this trip that I'm going to be doing, I will notice a huge difference in sound and heat. Also want to show you guys the setup here. I got the fridge that I got before King of the Hammers, and then we got our Ita Hill power bank. This is the set power fridge. I'll bring this out. I guess to get into it, I'll just have to bring it out and use it this way. Both the fridge and the power bank are all in our Amazon store. Super easy to get to if you guys want to check those out. Well, good morning from Mount Rainier, Coplay Lake. We made it in really late last night because we got a late start, and it was dark, so I didn't get a chance to really film anything. We already had breakfast. We got our fire going. Nate's here, just chilling. We're just relaxing and enjoying the morning. He brought a smoker, so we were enjoying the meats, which is really good. It's actually pretty crazy to be snow camping and have a smoker.
Smoked bacon.
Smoked bacon for breakfast. It's pretty sweet. Oh wow, it's very slippery. We packed it in real nice, this area, with the Toyota and the Jeep. We had no fun doing it at all. It was terrible.
It was miserable.
It was miserable. It was a miserable time. We also have our new friend Musa from Australia. He's sleeping in a little bit because obviously it's
nighttime.
Middle of the night in Australia. Not in the middle of the night. I don't know exactly, but obviously it's the other side of the world and it's opposite time. So letting him sleep in, so we're enjoying the campfire, and once he gets up, do some more wheeling probably.
Go find something to get into.
Go find something to get into, for sure.
Hit your rear locker. I bet you'll get it now. Some traction help is all you needed.
Okay guys, we're with our new friend Musa from Australia. He's a big off-road guy over there. Can kind of tell you about what kind of rigs you guys use over there?
Yeah, if you check out Aussie Four Wheelers, we got mainly Japanese rigs, like Nissan Patrol is big, and Toyota Land Cruiser. I drive a Nissan Patrol with 40-inch tires and a 6-inch lift, and yeah, that thing's a beast. You'll see it on YouTube. But meeting my American friends here with their big rigs, 40s on a Jeep, it's pretty cool. Short wheelbase, big tires.
Really short wheelbase compared. How do you like? You're driving a brand new Gladiator right now. What do you think about that so far? As far as
it's good. They're capable, but the electronics part of it, I struggle to put it in four-wheel drive.
Yeah, it's not just a lever. It's like buttons and all kinds of switches and stuff.
We're used to the sticks.
So yeah, he's gonna rip around real quick and give a quick tutorial of the Jeep, and we're gonna send him out in the snow and see how he likes it.
All right.
I mean, it's just like any other automatic. It's in 4 low, so you might need second gear, but you don't need it. So it doesn't shift on its own at all. You have to manually do it. There's no. That's it.
Wow.
If you want to put it in second, it'll stay in first no matter what you do until you put it into second. Whatever you feel comfortable with, just don't drive it off into the lake. Other than that. What do you think?
Oh, this is cool. Snow bashing.
Snow bashing. Yeah, it doesn't steer very good because of the spool, and it just pushes.
Yeah,
Right,
because
you gotta go.
diff lock. Oh, it's cool. It's cool. I'm excited.
Well, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with us, and thanks for Musa for coming out and playing in the snow with us. Hope you had a good time.
Mate, I had an awesome time. You know, I come from Australia. This is pretty cold and freezing for me, and I'm actually sweating now from all the adrenaline and excitement. So thanks for that.
Okay, guys, well, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you check out our website, muddybeards4x4.com. We got shirts, stickers, stuff like that. And if you want to follow me on social media, I'm at muddybeards4x4. How do they find you if you're...
Aussie Four Wheelers YouTube, that's where you can find me. You can message through there in the community section or under some comments. I'll find you.
Awesome. Okay, we'll see you on the trail.
Hope you had some fun back there. Oh, awesome fun. I'm actually shaking from the adrenaline.